In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chart in Google Sheets. If you've ever struggled with turning raw data into something visually engaging, you're in the right place. Google Sheets provides a versatile platform for creating various types of charts, and today, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to open Google Sheets on your computer. If you don't have a particular sheet in mind, you can go ahead and create a new one by hitting the blank option. Once you're inside a spreadsheet, make sure your data is organized. Typically, rows and columns should be filled with the information you want to transform into a chart. It's crucial to have your headers clearly labeled, as these will be used for your chart's labels and titles. Now, with your data in place, the next step is to select the range of cells that you would like to include in your chart. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells, or, if you have a large data set, input the range manually in the name box just above the spreadsheet grid. This precision ensures that your chart reflects the exact data you need. After your data is selected, navigate to the top menu and find the Insert option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Chart. At this point, Google Sheets will automatically generate a default chart using your selected data. Don't worry if this initial chart doesn't look the way you want it to. We have the opportunity to customize it. The chart editor will now appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Under the Setup tab, you can choose the type of chart you want. Depending on your data, you might opt for a bar chart, line chart, pie chart, or any other available type that best represents your information. For example, for time series data, a line chart might be the best choice, while a pie chart could be suitable for showing proportions. Once you've picked your chart type, it's time to personalize it further under the Customize tab in the chart editor. Here, you can edit elements like the chart and axis titles, color schemes, legend placement, and more. This customization helps to ensure that your chart not only conveys the correct information, but also fits the aesthetic or stylistic needs of your presentation. Before we wrap things up, always take a moment to review your chart. Make sure it accurately reflects your data and that the labels and titles are clear and concise. This review will prevent misinterpretation of your information later on. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks, you can close the chart editor. Congratulations! You've just created a chart in Google Sheets. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with different chart types and customization options to better understand how they work. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time, happy chart making!